Hey guys, it's Ivan. Welcome to the Coupon Camp, and we are in Dollar General doing, guess what guys, some any day deal. And since we cannot eat detergent, we're gonna buy some food. And here we go. We're gonna look at the General Mills right here. Look at these chocolatey Lucky Charms. They're actually 4 for $8. Now make sure you pay attention to the ones that's 4 for $8, because not all of the General Mills cereals so far are 4 for $8. Okay, that's what I want to tell you. It's kind of like the weird boxes, like it's the Blueies, that's 4 for $8. And then look at that, it's the cinnamon graham toast, that's 4 for $8. The cinnamon toast, the new waffle. So I'm gonna take it that it's their newer cereal, that's 4 for $8. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to scan it. Let's get it. I'm trying to look for my, what's the name, because we're going to pick up some of those cereal. My best is the Centigrams, and they are 4 for $8, but they have $1 off of 2 once you can earn cash back, $1 once you pay for them. It's a limit of one time, so you're going to actually get those 4 for $7. All right, so 8 once you pay for it, you get that $1 back, divided by 4, and they're going to pay $1.75. That's an awesome deal for that, hands down. Look what I found that I didn't know this was on sale, but maybe it's a General Mills product. See, it has $1 on here. Save $1 when you buy 1 multi-grain Cheerio, Reese's Puffs, peanut butter, cinnamon toast crunch. Oh, here we go right here. Okay, and it is not expired. Look, Nature Valley granola. They're 4 for $8. So what you're gonna do is, I will pick these up 4 for $8. Let me tell you, this is exactly what I do. I'll pick them up 4 for $8. Those are 4 for $8. Yeah, it's a General Meal. So what I'm gonna do next is, yes, because it's stuck to the granola. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do next, because I couldn't find a 4 for, I'm gonna get a cereal. Do it like this, but this is the only way I'm gonna be able to get this deal. So then I'm gonna pick up. Let me see. Do I want to do the cinnamon toast crunch? I got to do something. Well, I will make $1 back, but I don't want to pick those 2 as of. Well, I can pick 2 of these up. Actually, I'm gonna save $1 off of each one of those. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna pick up all 3 of these. You can find 3, and then I'm gonna get 1 box of cinnamon toast crunch. Take these all off of here. I can take them all off. They're 4 for $8. Now, if I want to, I could use it on that. I'll probably only use 1, okay? Because I want to save these two for the 4 for $8 cereal, all right? So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to get mine down 4 for $6. So look for that deal, guys. That was something I just popped up and saw. Now we're going to come down here to the peanut butter and jellies, which are 2 for $5. I think it's this jelly up here. Let me see. Yeah, now look, I showed you a do not deal. This is how I know people do not come and look at the clearance aisle. These were $4.95 the other day, and it's a $6 off 2 coupon. I'm gonna go ahead and grab them today. And then the Tortino's pizza are 4 for $8, so I'm also gonna grab a set of those pizzas 4 for $8. They like the Supremes. I think they like those. I'm gonna get 4 for $8 Totino's party pizza, and then I'm gonna get sausage. What's that? Triple meat. Those are 4 for $8, so we're gonna grab those. Okay, we grab 2 of these. Look, oh, it's wait. Oh, it's another one on that one. Look. Okay, guys. Yeah, I gotta get these cereal. 3. And 4. Okay guys, so here's the coupon. It's attached to the Reese's Puffs. That's what it's attached to, and they are also 4 for $8. So if you got a good cashier, maybe she'll try to use every one of them. Get them down to $1 a box. So this is how we're looking so far, and I'm going to pick these up. At first I didn't pick them up. I'm going to get them today. All right, any day deals are awesome up in here. They're hot. Okay guys, now let's come back over here, and we're gonna do a deal on the Glade and make some money, okay? Because we always like to make money, and plus you want to get ready for a Saturday. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna pick up 2 Glade refills, the 2 count. Now if you find the ones for $4.50, the deal is better, okay? I could not find the ones for $4.50, but if you find them, that deal is a better deal, okay? So what you're gonna do is look at that Glade. We're gonna scan it. When we scan, we see that it's $6. Now we see a black square with a plus sign in it. Remember, whenever you see that, if you want to use that coupon, you have to claim it. So hit that. Now that check mark shows that you are claiming that coupon. It is a $2 manufacturer cashback coupon. Pick up 2 of those. Now, let's go further because it gets better. It's a save $5 when you spend $15 on select SC Johnson products. So you're gonna pick 2 of those up. Now you're gonna go down further and you're gonna get one of those Glades. 2. You're gonna pick up 2 of the Glade sprays. Now let's scan it. And they're on sale for $2. Okay, but that's not all. They also have a $1.50 cash back. We need to claim that coupon, so hit it. Now we're going to continue down, and when we go down, look what it says. It says save $5 when you spend $15. So there you go. That all is a part of that deal. So let's do the math. 6 times 2 of the Glade refills is $12 plus $2 for each Glade. Took you actually over. We went over about $1. Okay, so it's $16. You're going to take that 5 off 15, leave you at $11. Now, once you could collect your money, you're going to collect $2 for each one of the Glades. That's 4. And then you can collect $1.50 for each one of those. 5, 6, and the 50 cents each makes $7 that you're going to collect back. So you're going to take that $7 off as soon as it comes to your account. Leave you at $4. We have 4 items. We're going to divide that by 4. That make it $1 each. Now, if you find the double count that is $4.50, you're going to pick up 3. You're going to pick up 3 of those, okay? And 3 or 4, let's do, because they're $4.50. So let's do the math. If you find those times 3, no, plus 2. Yes, so you're going to pick up 2 of those if you find the one that's 3 of the ones that's $4.50 if you find them, the Glade double counts, and 1 can. If you do that, you'll take that 5 off. It'll leave you at $10.50. Then once you get your $7.50 back, because that's how much it'll go over, about $7.50. Okay, you're going to take that $7.50 back, cash back, leave you at $3. You're going to divide that by 4, and that'll make you pay 75 cents. So that's why you see my thumbnail and it says 75 cents, okay? So that is the deal that you're going to do. Now, guys, we're going to look at the end at, we are done the cereal deal. Each one of those, look for the cereal that has the $1 coupon at the end, all right? Because it works. She let me get them. I paid $4 for 4 boxes of cereal. Okay, so they were $1 each. That's an awesome deal. Make sure you take advantage of that deal, guys. Okay, and these right here, you're going to use this for your 5 off of 25 on Saturday. You also can use that for your 5 off 25 to pay that day. You're going to come to the dollar aisle because we have a glitch. Okay. Now, it is a money maker, so we're going to also add that in here. You're going to pick up this Crest right here, the 2.6 ounces. It's on the dollar aisle. Here it is for me, okay? Let's scan it. Okay, $1. Here you go. Save $2 off of 1 Crest toothpaste, so it is $1 overage, okay? $1 overage that I'm going to use for this deal right here. So it's going to actually take me down even lower. All right. Okay, guys, so I used this as my $1 overage, plus I received $7 back. So go do this deal, guys. That's a glitch. Plus it is overage in there. Plus you made some money. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon camp, guys. Bye.